Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Hulu with your existing email. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Hulu website. Click on the sign up button on the home page. Select start your free trial if prompted. On the registration page, scroll down to the email entry section. Enter your existing email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Choose your preferred plan from the available options. Review the pricing details for each plan. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Provide your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Enter your payment information in the required fields. Review the subscription terms and conditions. Check any boxes for promotional offers if applicable. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open the email and click the confirmation link if required. Log into your Hulu account using your email and password. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.